नमस्कार दोस्तों, अफलातून चैनल में आपका स्वागत है। आज के इस वीडियो में आपको दिखाएंगे, कह रहे जो ओनियन के बारे में कह रहे, नो वन इवन टोल्ड यू ओनियन कुड डू दिस मिराकुलस थिंग्स। यानी कि प्याज है इतने जादू चमत्कार हो सकते हैं, उनके बारे में आपको बताएंगे। आइए दोस्तों इसके बारे में जानते हैं। लेट्स कम ऑन द पॉइंट। Onion are one of the most powerful natural antibiotics that strengthen the immune system and offer numerous health benefits. They belong to the allium family and are abundant in sulfur, which provides strong antibiotic and antiseptic properties. Also, onions are high in the antioxidant content which fight our radical damages. Gillian Levy, CHC, explained at least 25 different flavonoids have been identified across all onion varieties. Quercetin is often found in allergy products because it can lower the effect of histamine on the immune system, and anthocyanin, the same type of antioxidant found in red berries, are responsible for giving red onion that are deep color. Another form of onion flavonoid is alkyl quercetin sulfoxide ACSO sulfur compounds that have been reported to have a range of health benefits, including anti-carcinogenic property, anti-placental activity, anti-thrombotic activity, anti-stomach and antibiotic effects. 64 calories, 0 gram fat, 2 gram protein, 2 gram fiber, 7 gram of sugar, 8 milligram vitamin C, 0.2 milligram vitamin B6, 0.2 milligram manganese, 22 milligram fluoride, 234 milligram potassium, 46 milligram phosphorus, 0.07 vitamin B1, thiamine. They have been used as natural remedies for centuries, especially in treatment of cold and the flu, diabetes, cough, arthritis, heart disease, high cholesterol, bronchitis, and respiratory conditions. Here are some other use of onion: ear pain, infection. Chop an onion, place the piece in the thin sock and tie it close. Place it over the painful ear and cover with a hat. Vomiting. To immediately stop vomiting and sneeze, grate one white or yellow onion or squeeze the juice while wrapped in a cheesecloth. Brew a strong cup of peppermint tea. Leave it to cool. Drink 2 teaspoons of onion juice. Wait for 5 minutes and then drink 2 teaspoons of the cool peppermint tea. Wait for 5 minutes and take onion juice again. Repeat until all symptoms subside. Cuts. To use the antiseptic property and stop bleeding, use the treatment film of the onion skin on cuts. Break up chest congestion. All crushed onion to coconut oil and the coat the chest with the paste. Cover with a towel. Colic. Boil a bit of diced yellow onion in a water. Strain and give your baby a teaspoon of the tea on every hour. In fever, slice an onion into thin slice. Rub the bottom of the feet with coconut oil and place onion slice onto the arches of the feet. Wrap with a clinging wrap and put on the socks. In the morning, they will absorb all the toxin and illness from the body. A cuff. Peel a large onion, slice it in half, and cover the piece with a teaspoon of brown sugar. Cover the onion for an hour and then take the remedy twice daily. Cleanse the air to cleanse the air of the bacteria and virus. Distribute onion slice throughout your house. Here are some additional uses of the onion. Rub a cut onion on the face of the prevent freckling. Rub a bit of onion juice rubbed onto the hair and speed up its growth. Rub a cut onion on the body to repel bugs. Onion juice repel moths. To repel pests, spray the plants with boiled and cooled onion juice. To prevent rusting of iron objects, rub them with an onion slice. Use onion slice to polish copper glassware. जी हाँ दोस्तों, ये थी आज की जानकारी, कैसे हम प्याज को इतनी जगह पे यूज़ कर सकते हैं। कोई भी नहीं बताएगा प्याज के बारे में, लेकिन हमने बताया। आशा करता हूँ दोस्तों ये जानकारी आपको अच्छी लगी होगी। अगर ये जानकारी आपको अच्छी लगी तो हमें फॉलो करना ना भूले। और दोस्तों, अगर आपने अब तक हमारा चैनल सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब जरूर कर ले, ताकि आपके लिए और ऐसी ऐसी नई नई जानकारी आपको लाते रहें, और बेल आइकन को दबाना ना भूलें। धन्यवाद दोस्तों।